Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a basic 3D model of lock nut in Autodesk Inventor software. Lock nut are different from the basic nuts as it consists of extra packing. These nuts are basically used in areas of high vibration and torque. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now go to 2D sketch and select the XY plane. From here, select the polygon command. Here we will select number of sides as 6. From this center point, make a polygon. Go to dimension. Give this dimension as 32 mm. Okay. Now go to horizontal constraint. Select this point and select the center point. Okay. Now finish sketch. Now go to extrude command and take extrude distance as 23 mm. Okay. Now take it symmetric and okay. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Here go to circle command. From this center point, make a circle of 31.5 mm. Okay. And go to project geometry and select this face. Now finish sketch. Now we will cut this outer portion from the circle. So go to extrude and select this outer profile. Now you can see the circular profile is left. Okay, as this is hollow. Go to cut and here take a depth of 5 mm and okay. Okay. Now select this face once again. Go to create sketch. Here go to circle command and from this point make circle of dia 29 mm. Go to 3D model, extrude. Here take the direction 2. Go to cut, it will be cut and the depth here will be of 8 mm and okay. Okay. Now rotate this profile, select this back face, go to create sketch. Here go to circle command. From this point make circle of dia 22.7 mm and finish. Go to extrude. This will be a through all extrude. So from here select all. You can see now this is cutting the profile in red. It has changed to cut and okay. Okay. Now we will make side chamfers over here. For side chamfers, go to origin and we will select the exact plane. Go to create sketch. Rotate it and make it like this. Okay. Now go to view, select visual style and change it to wireframe. Now go to sketch, line command. From this edge make one line here and one vertical line and join this. Okay. Now go to dimension. This line here will be of dimension 2 mm and the angle between these two will be 30 degree. Okay. Escape. Select this line, go to construction line. Similarly select this line and make construction line. Now go to line command, select here center point and make a line. Escape. Select this line, make it construction. Now go to mirror, select this profile, go to mirror line and select the center line. Apply and done. Okay. Now we will revolve cut these profiles. So go to view, change visual style to shaded with edges. Okay. Go to 3D model, select extrude, select revolve command, select these profiles. Okay, now you can see they are selected. Now it will ask you axis. So for axis, you can select it from here. We'll select the Z axis. Now you can see it is extruding, but we want to cut, so select here cut and okay. Now you can see the chamfer profile over here, the side chamfers. Now we will go to this face cell and go to create sketch. Here go to this edge, project it and go to 3D model, extrude command. We don't want this extra profile, so we will cut up to 3 mm. Reverse the direction by cut, flip it. Okay, now you can see the cut profile and okay. Now we will make a slot over here for setting the plastic seal or packing. So select this face, go to create sketch. Again select the outermost circle, project geometry and go to offset command. Select this circle, drag mouse inside, enter and here give offset of 3 mm. Escape. Now you can see it is given a different value, double click and again write 3 mm. Okay. Go to finish sketch and here go to extrude, select this profile and here take extrude of 1 mm and we will take join and okay. Now you can see here, you can see a gap is being created to set the packing. Select this edge, go to fillet, here take fillet of 0.5 mm. Okay, or you can take 1 mm and apply. Okay, now we will make the thread profile inside. For thread profile, select this face, go to create sketch. Here select this circle and go to project geometry and finish. This is only made for reference. Now from here go to 3D model or 3D sketch, select helical coil. Here we will select pitch and height. The internal dia is 22.7 mm and the height will be 20 mm and pitch here will be of 2 mm. Okay, now select this point and select this plane and select this blue line. Okay, and apply. Now for cut profile, first finish this sketch, rotate this. Now we will find the starting point of this coil. So this is the starting point of this coil. So go to plane, select this point and select this curve. Okay, now it will generate a new plane over here. Select this plane, go to create sketch, rotate it. Now go to project geometry and project this point. Okay, now finish. You can hide this. So we will hide this, select this, sketch it and hide. Okay, now it is more clear, the green portion. Now double click again on sketch 9. Now we will make the cut profile. So from here go to polygon and take sides 3 and we will make a triangle. The center point will be this and the triangle will cut inside. As you can see here, this will be the profile. Now go to dimensions. Here take dimension of 1.5 mm. Okay, and go to vertical constraint, go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point. Now it is fully defined, and go to here fillet and take fillet of 0.2 mm. Select this line and select this line. Here you can see the radius now. Exit. Go to finish sketch and here we will take sweep command to cut the thread. The profile is automatically selected. For path, select this coil profile. Okay. Now you can see the thread, but it's coming out. We want to cut, so here take cut. Now you can see the red profile and okay. Now you can see the thread over here. Okay. Now you can define the color. From here select, I'll take font. Okay, you can take it as your wish and you can hide this plane. Select this plane, right click and turn off the visibility. Okay, now save it. I have already made, so I'll take a new folder over here only and make it a assembly folder and save it as nut. Okay, now we will make the second part. The second part is the packing, which will be placed over here. So go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to 2D sketch. Now here select XY plane and go to circle command. Here make circle of dia 29 and second circle of dia 21. Okay. Finish sketch and go to extrude command. Select this profile. Here take extrude of 5 mm. Okay, and it will be from symmetric. Okay, now select this edge and give chamfer of 0.5 and similarly on back side 0.5 and okay. Now we will assign the color. We will assign it a blue color, so drag it upward and give blue wall print glossy. Okay, and save it as packing and save it. Now we will make an assembly of this. So go to new, take a standard assembly in millimeter and create. Now we will place the parts. So go to place. It will ask you from where you want to place. It is the assembly folder. First we will place the nut, open, okay, and escape. Now rotate it. Now you can see it is moving in any direction. So we want to constrain the movement. So go to origin and open the origin of nut. Now go to constraint, select YZ of assembly and YZ of nut. Here click on flush, apply, XY, XZ and XZ, apply. Similarly XY and XY, apply. Now exit. Now you can see it is constrained, the movement is constrained. Go to view, change this view to shaded with edges. Okay. Now go to assemble. Now place the packing. So please click on place, packing and open. Now place it over here and escape. Now go to constraint, select this face and rotate this, rotate it inside. Now you can see the inner face over here and click here. Okay, apply, go to home. Now select this circular face and here circular face of nut. Now it will be concentric. Here you will select opposed and apply. Okay, now you can see there is no movement of packing also. Okay, so this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a lock nut or self-locking nut in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.